Hello students, welcome again to my grammar class. My name is Andani Mittal. My last session was explanation of article and my today's session is for standard 6th. So students, please open your textbook and refer to the exercise so that I will make you understand about the exercise so that you can write your answers in your textbooks. So let us start our session. First, let us read the instructions given. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Put a cross where no article is required. The first one has been done for you. So, dash large number of dash people were present at dash concert. So, large has first letter L, which is consonant, so we will use article a over here, and a number of dash people means so many people, so we cannot count them, so we will put here cross. Were present at dash concert is a special event, so we will use the over here. Now next, you can write dash letter is a countable, also a singular, and its first letter is consonant, so we will use a over here. So you can write a letter. Now next, dash chocolate is made of dash cocoa, dash sugar, and dash milk. So first chocolate we can count, and C is a consonant, so we will use A over here. Is made of dash cocoa. We cannot count cocoa, so we will use here cross. Dash sugar, we cannot count sugar, so we will use cross. And dash milk, we cannot count milk also, so we will put cross over here. Now next, in dash morning she teaches at dash school, and in dash evening she volunteers at dash old people's home. So morning is a particular time, so we will use here the morning. She teaches at dash school. School is a place and also singular, and we can count it, so we will use here a. And in dash evening is a particular time of day, so we will use the over here. She volunteers at dash old people's home. Old, see, old has o article, so we will use an over here, an old people's home, and also it is a countable because home is only one. Now next, dash handkerchief is made of dash piece of cloth. Handkerchief is a particular cloth, so the handkerchief is made of dash piece. See, piece means only one piece, so we will use a over here of dash cloth, but we cannot count cloth. How much meter we cannot count, so here cross. So the handkerchief is made of a piece of cloth. Now sixth, dash actor does not always have dash easy life. So actor has a over here, which is vowel, so we will use an over here, and easy life e is also a vowel, so here also we will use an. So an actor does not always have an easy life. Now seventh, dash tiger and dash leopard belong to dash cat family. See, over here tiger is particular, leopard is particular, and also cat family is a particular name of animal. So in all of the three we will use the article. So the tiger and the leopard belong to the cat family. Now eighth, when dash sun rose, in dash morning dash fog and dash mist disappeared. See, sun is particular, morning is particular time of day, fog is a particular name, and mist is also a particular name. So in all of the blank we will use article the. Now ninth, is it dash time to get up, or can we sleep dash little longer? See, we cannot count time, or particular time has not given here, so we will put cross over here. And in next blank, can we sleep dash little longer? Little is given, means little countable, so and L is a consonant, so we will put a over here. Anil is in dash habit of switching off dash mobile phone before going to dash bed at dash night. So Anil is in the habit of switching of particular habit is given, so we will use the over here. And the mobile phone is a particular thing, so the mobile phone. Before going to the bed, here the will come, here little mistake is there, so you please correct it. The bed at the night, here also the will come. So in all of the blanks the will be the answer. The bed at the night. Okay, so this is our exercise for today. You have to write this exercise in your fair book in homework one time. Thank you.